Hey there, marketers! Are you constantly on the lookout for innovative ways to drive traffic to your website? Are you tired of spending heaps of money on website traffic with little to no results? It can be incredibly frustrating to invest so much time and money only to see minimal returns. Well, I've got something that might just change your game and make your efforts worthwhile. Let me introduce you to the Click Engine, a revolutionary tool that could be the solution you've been searching for. The Click Engine is a powerful tool designed to drive high-quality traffic to your website. It's not just about numbers. It's about getting the right kind of visitors who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. Imagine getting real people, real results, and doing it all for just pennies per click. This means you can maximize your budget and get the most out of every dollar you spend. Sounds too good to be true? I get it. Skepticism is natural. Stick around and I'll show you why it's different and how it stands out from other traffic solutions. First off, they're offering a limited time deal where you can snag 1,000 free website views from a trusted traffic partner. This is a fantastic opportunity to test the waters without any financial commitment. Yep, you heard that right. 1,000 free views to kickstart your journey and give you a taste of what the Click Engine can do for you. 1,000 free views to kickstart your journey. This is a great way to see immediate results and understand the potential of this tool. And if that's not enough, the Click Engine also offers a massive discount of 84% off their regular price. That's a steal. Now, let's talk value. This discount makes it accessible for everyone, regardless of your budget. For just a few pennies per click, you're attracting high-quality buyer clicks. This means you're not just getting traffic. You're getting potential customers who are ready to engage with your content and make purchases. That means more leads and more sales for your business. Imagine the growth and expansion possibilities with such targeted traffic. Plus, when you sign up, you get access to 8 free bonus memberships from the Promote Labs team. These bonuses are designed to further enhance your marketing efforts and provide additional value. That's a whole lot of value packed into one offer. Still skeptical? It's understandable. But let's dive deeper. Let's hear from some real users. Their experiences can provide insight into what you can expect. Heather Dake, for instance, reported receiving 4 opt-ins and a sale. This is a clear indication of the tool's effectiveness. Bob Riddell mentioned gaining 2 sales in just 2 days. These quick results show the potential for rapid growth. These aren't just numbers, these are real success stories from real people like you. Their success can be your success too. The testimonials come from a diverse range of users: entrepreneurs, retirees, and individuals looking to supplement their income. This diversity shows that the Click Engine is versatile and effective for various needs. This shows just how broad the appeal of the Click Engine is. It's not limited to a specific type of business or individual. No matter who you are, this tool can work for you. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, the Click Engine can help you achieve your goals. If you're still on the fence, check out the creator's YouTube channel for free tutorials and reviews. These resources can provide a deeper understanding of how to maximize the tool's potential. It's a great way to get a deeper look into how the Click Engine works and how it can benefit your business. Seeing it in action can help you make an informed decision. So, what are you waiting for? Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your website traffic and boost your business. Take advantage of this limited time offer, boost your website traffic, and watch your business grow. The potential for success is just a click away. Click the link in the description to get started with the Click Engine today. Happy marketing. Your journey to better traffic and higher sales starts now.